Hello everyone, in this video I will explain CSS 2D transform. Elements can be moved, rotated, scaled and secured with CSS transform. Let's discuss with example. Scale is used to adjust an element's width and height. For example, I will take div tag, will give width, height and color to this div. I will give margin to change the position of div. Now, on hover, you wanna adjust the width and height of the div. So, I will give scale 2. In transition, I'll give transform 2 seconds. Means I want transition for 2 seconds. Now you can see on hover, it will adjust the width and height of the div. Give X to increase just the width. Give Y to increase just height. Now, rotate. Rotate will rotate an element clockwise or anti-clockwise to a specified degree. Translate. Translate is used to shift the element along the x-axis and y-axis from its current position. Give X to shift along x-axis. Give Y to shift along y-axis. Now, skew. This is used to skew an element along with the x-axis and y-axis according to the given angle. You can use matrix to merge all the 2D transform properties into a single property.